Hey there, and welcome to exercise number 26. This is the first exercise from the intermediate category, so congratulations that you've reached this far. In this one, we need to write a function called arrayToObject that receives an array of strings as parameter and returns an object where each key is an item of the array and its value is the index of that item. If there are duplicate strings in the array, the value inside the object should be the index of its first occurrence. Below we have an example. So if our array is JavaScript is awesome, then our output should be JavaScript with index 0 because it's at position 0 in the array, awesome with value 2 because it's index 2, and is with value 1 because it's index 1 here. Below we have another example. So if the array is my name is Pavel, what is your name? Then this is the object we should get. So my should be here with value 0. Name, it's at index 1, so we have it here, value 1. Is, you can see this one has two occurrences, but in the output object we only put value 2, its first occurrence, and so on. Now, if you want to solve this exercise for yourself, click on the link in the description. If not, keep watching. I'm going to go here into the code area, and the first thing I want to do is create a result object that's going to be an empty object at first. This is where we're going to add the values. Then I want to iterate through my array, so I'm going to go strings.forEach, and I'm going to get here a string, and I'm going to say, okay, I want to add this string to the resulting object and put its value the index. So I'm going to need the index here, and I'm going to say result of string is equal to index. Now we're going to have a small problem if we do it this way, and specifically this part of the exercise. If there are duplicate strings, the value inside the object should be the index of its first occurrence. So here we should put an if, and we should only do this if we didn't previously add that string in the object. So I'm going to do here, I'm going to use a very special functions. So I'm going to say if result.has own property of a string, if it doesn't have it, I'm going to put a not before, that means our result object doesn't have the property that's equal to this string, then we want to add it. Otherwise, just continue the for each. Finally, let's return result. And I think this should be it. Now let's test our function. So I'm going to go console log arrayToObject, and let me just copy this array here. JavaScript is awesome, and we get JavaScript is awesome too. Okay, now let's copy this bigger array and let's check. So we get here my name is, so is position 2, that's correct, because we have two occurrences of the word is. And name is position 1, also good because we have name here and we have name here, but we should get the first occurrence. Now this looks good, let's test our solution, and voila, it works. Cheers, and see you in the next one.